Hi, I'm Joni from One Dish Kitchen, and today we're making a small batch of peanut butter balls. These peanut butter balls are reminiscent of the classic school lunchroom treats. They're made with just 3 ingredients: peanut butter, honey, and powdered milk, and they're super easy to make. So it's a great recipe if you have little ones at home, but I even enjoy eating them on my own, so not just for kids. So let's get started. So we're gonna mix together 1/4 cup of peanut butter. I like to use creamy peanut butter, and 1/4 cup of honey, and 1/2 cup of powdered milk. And we're gonna mix them together. So next we'll take a spoon or a cookie scoop, and you're gonna just scoop up a little bit of the peanut butter dough, roll it between your hands, and create little balls with it, just like that. And put it on a sheet with some wax paper. Okay, and so we're gonna chill it in the refrigerator to get them a little bit cold and enjoy. As you can see, this is a small batch and they're so easy to make. Make another batch whenever you want. So you can find the full recipe in the video description below. And thank you so much for watching. Be sure to follow, like, and subscribe, and check out the rest of our videos. Also check out onedishkitchen.com to find hundreds of single serving recipes, because at One Dish Kitchen, cooking for one is all we do. Bye for now.